This is Bob cell. And what you just saw was Bob cell going through the process of mitosis. Now mitosis has a few different stages. A good way to remember mitosis is by PMAT, which would be prophase, which would be interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And then the last part of a cell reproducing, which is not in PMAT, would be cytokinesis, where the cell actually splits. First, we had Bob going through interphase. This is just everyday life for Bob, as he produces maybe some extra centroles and gets his chromosomes ready so they can split up. Next, in prophase, right here, the centroles would start moving to the opposite ends of the cell, and we see that the nucleic membrane would start to disappear and the chromosomes would start to form. Next, we would have metaphase. In metaphase, the centroles would be at either end of the cell, and the chromosomes would be lined up in the middle, and we see these long things with them would be called spindle fibers. And next, in anaphase, we see that the spindle fibers actually start to pull the centroles apart, so that we're getting ready to create two new cells, and they have the same exact thing as Bob's cell here in the beginning. So, back here. Now, here in telophase, I like to call it the telephone phase, because the two different membranes actually have to call each other to communicate, because now there are two separate membranes and two separate sets of centroles and chromosomes. And here in the last part, cytokinesis, the two daughter cells have actually split completely, and we have a new Bob cell. And that is the process of Bob cell going from one Bob cell to Bob cell.